Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. And today I'm doing a little cleanup and refresh for spring. So I thought I'd bring you along as I get my family room together. So sit back and enjoy. Now everything I use to decorate my family room for spring, I already had in my collection, so I just digged in the bins. Now as I showed you, the rabbit was put in the apothecary jar. Over here I changed the pillow covers. On the table I added a bird cage with some moss balls and a piece of hydrangea. And then here I have the other rabbit in the cloche. In this cloche I added back the balls to the cloche. Simple. Down here I put the bowl back with the moss balls in it. And then the books with the jack and the flower and the house. I've already had everything on this table was in my stash. I wanted to keep it simple, but let you know that it was spring. Now the fireplace, you saw this in the video of my fireplace, my annual fireplace decor challenge. I have a link to that playlist up above. Now on the other side, what I did to the end tables, now as for my end tables, I kept it simple. I put the flowers back down below with the album and put the white flowers in the ginger jar with the apple and the candle and 3 coasters. Something simple on the table. So it would be, because I moved the lamps to another location. Now here's an overall tour showing you the whole room. I really like the different color balls that I have in the cloche. It brings out spring and the neutral color tones. Now on this side I have my husband's Chicago Bears blanket, and on his side I have the same thing at the top, but at the bottom it's a book that I made him for Kappa with his pictures from some of his years in college. So I tried to keep the room simple because we spend a lot of time in here watching TV, or we have guests over, we're in here. So let me know what you think of my family room refresh down below. And don't forget to give the girl a thumbs up. It doesn't hurt you, but it helps me. And I will see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.